All right, so this is going to be Unit 5A, exponential functions. You're going to pause the video and just write that down. You can draw it out and color it a little bit later because right now we need to get to our work. What you're going to do every single day, so we're going to create our notebook as we go, and it's going to be graded at the end, and you'll be allowed to use this on your test, is we're just going to we're going to take our double sheet of paper. All right, and then we're going to see where it says the page number over here. It doesn't have a page, but we're going to put one in a little bit later. Take your ruler or scissors and line it up just past that page number. Then you're going to apply pressure on your left hand, and then with your right hand, you're going to pick up the corner of the sheet, bring it towards your left hand. You're applying pressure here, and you're gently pulling it towards your hand and down. And it's going to cut paper very, very fast. Once you have that cut, this is very, very important. Okay, if you're using my glue, you're only going to put 4 small dots. Do not put these right on the corner because they're going to smudge. Put them somewhere in the middle-ish, like there. So 4 very small dots, not necessarily at the very corner. When you put your 4 small dots, again, stay away from the absolute corner, bring it inside a little bit. Once you put your 4 dots, this is very important. Do not, if you're on the left-hand side of the page, do not cross this margin. So when I line up my sheet of paper like this, I'm going to put it anywhere here, but do not put the paper on any side, and I'll show you why in just a second. On the other side, on the right-hand side of the sheet, when you put your paper in, do not cross this margin. All right, so every single time on every double page, on the left and on the right margin, you should not have your paper sticking out on there. All right, so once you put that down, you don't even have to like press or anything like that. Just put the page over. And now we're going to take our ruler or scissors, and you should see a margin right here. You're going to line up your ruler to that margin, and once again, apply pressure to your ruler. Okay, then lift up the sheet of paper. And then take the corner once again, and you're pulling it to your hand and down. So we're going to pull it to my hand and down, just gently, all the way down. What that is going to do is it's going to release the space for your tabs. And that's the reason why you don't stick your paper over the line, because it will end up being cut. So you should have your first page in, and every day I give you a new paper, you're just going to come to the next double page, and you're going to repeat the process. You're going to cut the paper in half. So this is actually the next one. You're going to cut the paper in half. You're going to go past the page number, apply pressure, pull towards your hand and down, apply 4 small dots, and then you're going to stay away from the very, very corner of it. On both of them, apply 4 small dots, and then when you stick your paper on the left-hand side, make sure you don't cross the margin. When you stick your paper on the right-hand side, make sure you don't cross the margin. And we're going to create our tabs as we go. That's it. Let's practice.